Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. I can't believe we're already in 2019. It's just so crazy to me, but today I'm doing my annual what I got for Christmas video. I'm going to be sharing basically what I got for Christmas. Not every single gift, just because I did get quite a few little stocking stuffers and edible gifts and that sort of thing, but I will be showing you the main gifts. So I hope you guys enjoy this and let's get started. So first up is a gift from my mum, and she got me this super cool set from Chanel. As you guys know, I'm a big Chanel girl, and she got me this kit, and you can see what's inside on the back. So you get this makeup pouch and you get 4 items in it. So it's the Hydra Beauty Essence Mist, a mascara, a lipstick, and then also a tinted moisturizer as well. So it comes in this beautiful little case. How cool is that? It's that kind of scuba material with a little zip on the top, and then you have all the products on the inside. I thought this was the coolest thing. I absolutely love it. So it just opens up and there's a really handy little pouch. How beautiful. And then there is the Essence Hydra Mist and then the tinted moisturizer. I've never tried this, but I've heard such good things, so I can't wait to give it a go. And then also the mascara and then a lipstick as well. No, sorry, this is the Healthy Glow Lip Balm. Comes in this beautiful tinted red shade. So beautiful. I think it's such a gorgeous kit, and I absolutely love the pouch. I mean, after a new makeup pouch as well, so this is just so perfect. She also got me a makeup brush cleaning kit as well. I believe she actually got this from Costco, and this is just the best thing because I am terrible at cleaning my makeup brushes. I know you're supposed to do it every week, and I don't even do it nearly that much, just because I use my makeup brushes pretty much every single day, and I don't have so many that I have backups. So if I wash them, then I'm without makeup brushes until they dry, and they take ages to dry. So I don't wash them very often, which I know is terrible, and she also happens to know this about me, and so she got me this, which she saw advertised, I think, and basically it cleans and dries your brushes within seconds. I was gonna say minutes, but it says seconds on the thing. How cool is that? I have no idea how it works. I haven't tried it yet, but it looks like it's some kind of whirl thing. I'm not sure, but it's supposed to completely clean your brushes so you look spotless afterwards. I thought this was the best gift. I was so excited. And apparently when they were checking it out, the person checking them out said that they own this and it's really good. So I'm very excited to try it. I haven't opened it yet, but I think I'm going to be doing that this weekend. Just such a great gift. And another gift that my mum got me is the Rose All Day set from Sugarfina. I'm a huge Sugarfina fan. I'm also a huge Rose fan, so she got me this adorable gift set which just says Rose All Day on it, and you have a selection of their rose flavoured gummies. So you have the Rose All Day bears. As you can see, they're all pretty empty. I've been having a munch. And then this one are their sparkling rose bears, and then these ones are the fruit roses. They are so good. If you haven't tried these and you like rosé, then I would definitely say to you, they taste absolutely amazing. If I had to pick a favorite, it'd probably be the Rosé All Day bears, but honestly, they're all so good. The only reason that they're not all gone is because I was like, I need to save a little bit for this video, but they'll be going tonight. They are absolutely delicious. And how beautiful is that packaging? My mum knows me extremely well, and she knows I love things like this, but absolutely beautiful. And then for the final gift that my mum got me, she got me a Glow Pro from Beauty Bio. This one I did actually ask for, and she was nice enough to get it for me, and I am so in love with this. I've already started using it and it's absolutely amazing. So this is the kit it came in. You do get quite a few products. I haven't tried the products yet, but the packaging was absolutely beautiful. Look at that. And you get a sanitizer bottle, you get a cleanser, you get a serum, and also an eye cream. But I've only used the actual tool. So here is the Glow Pro. This is in the pink glitter. And honestly, this thing is incredible. I have never owned a tool where you can see the difference as quickly as you can with this one. And I've owned a Clarisonic, I've owned a Foreo, I've owned quite a few different ones, and I've never seen such a dramatic difference as I have with this. It is a micro needling tool, so you basically kind of put it or run it all over your face, I guess, and it creates little micro tears in the skin, which sounds horrible, but it's not painful. And the idea is that it stimulates collagen, but it also allows your products to sink in and work more effectively as well. And honestly, the change in my skin's texture has been absolutely incredible. My skin feels so much smoother, makeup goes on so much easier, and I just love it. So I have to stop myself from using it every single night because I think you're only supposed to use it 3 or 4 times a week. So I really have to kind of stop myself from doing that, but it's absolutely incredible. So if you've been on the fence about one of these, I'd definitely recommend. Obviously I haven't been using it for months, but in the week that I have been using it, I have seen a massive difference and I just love this to bits. Next up is a gift from my brother and his family, and they went totally nuts this year and got me the most insane gift. So they got me this kit from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Universe. If you watch my channel regularly, you will know how much I love Charlotte Tilbury. I'd say a good 50% of the daily makeup that I use is Charlotte Tilbury. I love so many of their products. And they got me this insane kit. I don't know if this is their advent calendar or if it's a similar concept, but basically there are lots of drawers with different items inside. So it opens up like so. The packaging in itself is just ridiculously nice. It has this beautiful kind of glitter effect, and then it has all these kind of stars and constellations, just so pretty. And then on the inside you have all these drawers with different products inside, and then you also have some on the top as well. It's just so beautiful. I haven't opened these yet because I figured December has enough gifts and excitement, so I'm saving this for January when I need a little pick-me-up. But I thought this was just ridiculously lovely. I think it says what is included in the back. So you have some lipstick, you have eyeshadow, you have the Supermodel body shimmer, you have the Goddess clay mask, which I love. Just so many good things. So I could not believe it. They were so generous and lovely. Just such an amazing gift. Next up are a couple of gifts from Dan's mum, and the first one is a box that she actually made up herself, which is absolutely amazing. It's full of beauty products. Everyone went very hard on the beauty gifts this year, which I love because I really feel like my makeup and skincare could do with a bit of updating. So this is just ideal. Look at that. There's everything from Garnier masks here. So this is a detiring one. There's a revitalizing one, a glow revealing one. I've never tried these before, so I'm so excited to give them a go. And then there's a nail file, there's cleansing water, some little moisture gloves, cleansing wipes, just so much stuff. And she was like, I wanted to get you stuff that you'd actually use, so I kind of put together a little box, and just how thoughtful is that? So amazing, just so much good stuff in here. And then she also got me this beautiful little palette from Bobbi Brown called Life of the Party. It's a mini eye and lip palette, and the packaging on the outside actually mimics what's on the inside, so it's kind of gold all over with this really cool grey felt cover. I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So it's kind of gold all over, and then you have this really cool grey felt top. So cool. And then on the inside you have this beautiful palette. You have a little mini lipstick, and then you have these 4 eyeshadow colors. The colors are just perfect, such pretty neutrals. You have this kind of dark smoky grey with like a hint of taupe color here, and then a light one with a bit of shimmer, and then some slightly warmer tones on top. So pretty. I really need some new eyeshadows, so this is absolutely perfect. Ideal for taking on the go as well because it is such a dinky size, and just the nicest gift. And then finally I have some gifts from Dan. He was so sweet and thoughtful this year, and he got me so many lovely gifts. The first of which are some items from Cath Kidston. I absolutely love Cath Kidston, and he knows this, so he tends to get me some things from there every single year. First of which are some slippers, because I could always do with some new slippers, and he got me these absolutely adorable llama slippers. I did ask him why llamas, because I'd never had a particular affinity to llamas, but he was like, literally just Cath Kidston, they fixate on an animal and then that's what they go with. So he's like, this year you got llama things, but I am all aboard the llama train now. How cute are these? They're little llamas with headphones on them, and the insides are so ridiculously soft. They're a bit more lightweight than my UGG ones as well, so these are ideal when I don't want something too heavy. How cute, and they're also pink as well, which is obviously very up my street. And then he also got me some socks as well. I am always running low on socks. I don't know why, because it's not as if I go outside and leave my socks around, but for some reason they just always disappear. So he always gets me some socks from Cath Kidston as well, and he got me some of their bed socks. He got me 2 other pairs, but they're already in the wash because I've already worn them. But he also got me some bed socks, which are my absolute favourites. If you haven't tried their bed socks, they're incredible. You can use them instead of slippers because they have this grip on the sole, and they are so warm and toasty. They're quite a bit thicker than their usual socks, and I just love them. These ones also have llamas on them, so continuing on the theme, they are super cute, just this little illustration on the front, and then they're pink all over. Again, very, very me. And then he also got me this adorable little ring, or I guess jewelry holder. It has little squirrels on it, so there's one on the top and then one on the side. I have another ring holder which I use all the time, and as you can see, well, I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but it's basically full of my memory cards because I edit a lot on the go. So whenever I have a spare minute, if I'm traveling or just out and about somewhere, I'll whip out my laptop and I'll start editing, because editing takes a long time. So if I ever have a spare minute, I will edit, and because of that, I'm constantly losing memory cards. So whenever I find one in a bag, I'll just kind of pop it in my jewelry tray, but I also use it for jewelry. So in amongst the mix, there's jewelry, there's earrings, there's rings, and then there's my memory cards, and the one I have at the moment is very small. So he was like, I'm gonna get you a separate one so you can kind of separate the two out, so you can have one for jewelry and one for memory cards, which was just so thoughtful of him. How cute is that? And as you can see, I have a lot of memory cards in there, so the ideal gift. I've already now cleaned up my other one, so it just has jewelry in it. Just so perfect. And then I do also have this item from Chanel. Dan was nice enough to put some money towards this. We try and get things for each other that we really want and use. Dan wanted a TV this year, so I put some money towards that, and he asked me what I wanted, and I was really tizzing about it. I couldn't decide, and this item had kind of been on my radar. I mentioned it in a wishlist video. Didn't think I'd go for a Chanel version, but then I saw this color in person and I just absolutely fell in love. So it does come with all the holiday packaging with the beautiful dipped camellia. I think this has been their nicest holiday packaging yet. It's absolutely beautiful. It did come with a ribbon and everything, and also an extra camellia, but it got lost in amongst all the other kind of Christmas wrapping. And then on the inside, you might be able to guess already from the size of it, but you have the dust bag, and you also have the care card right here. And then you have a little sneak peek, probably be able to tell from the colour, but it is the wallet on a chain in the beautiful blue that they did this season. I have seen this so much on my bag chat group and Instagram in general. I love the colour, and then I saw it in real life and it was just love at first sight. I think it's such a beautiful shade of blue. I don't have anything in this kind of colour. I just think it's so amazing. Look at that. This one is in the caviar as well. And then on the inside you have the chain, and then you have all the kind of card slots and the zip pocket as well. I have actually already owned a wallet on a chain from Chanel in the past, and I did not get on with it at all, but it's been on my radar recently just because I guess I've gotten more used to downsizing my items. I like crossbody bags a lot more, so I've been eyeing them up. Didn't think I'd go for a Chanel one, but then this color happened and I just absolutely love it. So cannot get enough of this color. So grateful to Dan for making this happen, and I'm just so excited to use it. And then finally, Dan also got me this item from Gucci. This was a complete surprise. I did know he was getting me the Chanel bag, obviously, but I had no idea about this. He surprised me with it after I opened the Chanel bag, and then he just came up with this. I was totally shocked. It came in the beautiful festive packaging with this amazing pink with all these little gold illustrations on it. And then on the inside, I have already showed this, so if you watch my Christmas Day vlog, I did show it there because I was so excited about it. But it came in the whole Gucci packaging, so it had the ribbon and everything, and obviously the dust bag, but I have already opened this. And inside is their card holder. So I actually had one of these for a giveaway prize, so I did a series of giveaways on Instagram. This was one of the prizes that I got, and I was packaging it up ready to be sent to the winner, and I obviously went on and on about it because that night Dan ordered one for me. How beautiful. He also got it stamped with my new married initials as well. So unbelievably sweet and thoughtful. I absolutely love it. It's in this beautiful pink pebbled leather with this gold hardware, and then on the inside it's actually a small wallet, so it's not just a card holder, so you can put bills in there, and then you have an area for cards, and then you also have a little area for coins as well. Super compact for everything that you need, and just so beautiful. I love the color. I just love everything about it. So it was so sweet of him to surprise me with this. Absolutely gorgeous, and I just think it's the most beautiful thing. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you had an amazing Christmas, and obviously this video was all about gifts, but for me Christmas is about spending time with family and loved ones, so I hope that you managed to do that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.